here at the Grand Hyatt in Kauai. We are staying in room 6099 and we chose a oceanfront king view. Let's walk in and check out this room. We just came in, we were at the pool all day. And so time now is actually time now is almost 5:30. So right when you walk in, for us to the left is going to be the bathroom. Hello, how you guys doing? It is the shower in here is enormous. Look at this thing. Unfortunately, only one shower head. It'd be nice if it was two, but that's okay. I'm enjoying just the one here. And there's a bench on the outside. We can put that inside if we need to. We come across a double vanity. Hello again. And on the inside here is a water closet. That is an actual bidet, everyone. And the other two couples here, they have been raving about the bidet here. So I'm looking forward to trying it. Here are your toiletry amenities. Got some there. A couple facial bars here. And of course, tissue. Alright, moving around. Whoop! I know, sorry. I have on my my water shoes right now. So that's why I'm making so much noise as I'm walking. But we have two, not one, but two robes in this inside of the closet. Got a dresser there, ironing board, someplace to store your luggage, as well as a ironing board. Some extra linens up there at the top. Moving on. And then we come into your living quarters, living area. That is going to be a king bed there. Sorry, we just walked in, like I said. I just put all my stuff down. I even have my case for my water case for my phone. I take my phone out. Anyway, king bed has a little bench right there. They were gracious enough to bring all of our stuff up here early. All I did was check in. They're like, okay, we're bringing your stuff up. So there's all my stuff. It's gonna have an espresso there, and then we actually get to keep these water bottles. Put my jug of water here down. We get to keep these water bottles here, and there's ice back there as well. They got us ice, but that's cool. They're like, yeah, those are for you. You guys enjoy. And if I had to guess, I'd say this was like a 65-inch TV. Pretty big. Yeah. Moving on. You have a table here. And this is like a twin pull-out, I believe. Yeah, see, it's a pull-out. So it's about twin size. You do have a clock with a charging port next to it. And the charging port looks like it's going to be on one side. So there is no charging port over on that side. It's just going to be on one side of the bed. But it does have USB. And then has your three-prong outlets. Moving on. We're going to go head outside. Oh, there's a thermostat in here. Obviously. And then out here, my beautiful wife is taking a portrait video or portrait picture. But this is our view. This is room 6099 here at the Grand Hyatt. But this is our view here. And we are truly, completely oceanfront. We're not over here to the side where it's partial ocean view. Or on this side where it's partial ocean view. We are oceanfront. And we have a picture of, that's the adult pool there. That's the beginning of the lazy river right over there. And that's also the ocean, or the adult pool there. And there's a bar there. I mean, this is a amazing resort. So if you are ever here at Kauai, please, if you can afford it. I'm not saying, spend all of your life savings, but if you can afford it, stay here. My wife says spend your life savings, but
It's worth it.
stay here at the Grand Hyatt in Kauai. Oh, there's our server there. She just walked around the corner there. She's amazing. What's her name? Jana. Jana, if you ever watch this, thank you so much. You've been amazing. And be sure to request Jana. She's an amazing server. But yeah, we're all the way up on the 6th floor over here. They're having fun down there. It's a party here at the Grand Hyatt. Woo! All right. Well, that's it. Like I said, sorry. On the patio, there is 2 chairs and a table where you sit and enjoy this amazing view. That's it out here on the patio. And that's going to be it for this room tour of the King Ocean View here at the Grand Hyatt. I hope you guys enjoyed this room tour. Please like, comment, subscribe. Leave some comments. Anything that you maybe we didn't. Sorry. One more. So over here next to the dining room table here, a little table, they have a couple of outlets with USB and essentially that's right underneath the mirror. All right. Anyway, if you like this room tour, please like, comment, and subscribe. We appreciate all of your lovely comments. Hun, anything to add for this review? Are you happy to be here? We are only here for one night, though. We spent 4 nights
At our Airbnb.
So
which was lovely.
Our Airbnb was amazing.
And you could hear the waves slapping on the rocks. We'll stay there again for sure. But this is our first oceanfront ever.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, other than our Airbnb, until we get to Cancun, which is coming up in October. But
All right, thank you guys for watching. Exploring Yeti here. Like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you guys soon. Have a good day, and we'll see you guys very, very soon. Take care.